About 5 or 10 minutes each, the next two presentations, just to give you a heads up of how the timings are going today. Our next presentation is from Andrew Turner, the Institutional Division Manager of Reza Hygiene. He's going to be talking to you about the importance of a complete hygiene system in the QSR and a restaurant industry. So, Andrew Turner, please join us on the stage.
Green button? Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Firstly, thank you for the opportunity to speak today and be part of such a well-organized event. Absolutely superb. As a supplier, we're delighted to be able to support the event as lead hygiene sponsors. An excellent start to the day with some great panel discussions. Dark kitchens are 100% the future. I've been amazed at the explosion over the last kind of year and a half in the GCC, so it's very interesting. I'm sure we'll have more to come throughout the day, and I look forward to hearing from the other speakers. Events like this are key to the hygiene industry and help us broaden our knowledge within the industry and help suppliers keep up to date on current challenges faced within the food service sector. Up-to-date knowledge is essential to the success of any industry. For those of you that are perhaps new to Reza Hygiene, please seek out my colleagues. There's quite a few of us here today. We've got to stand outside, come along, say hello, find out a little bit more about what we do. To say the last couple of years have been challenging for the food industry is an understatement. The COVID-19 pandemic hit the food industry hard, and many sectors struggled to get on top of rules and guidelines brought in to combat the pandemic. Many businesses were just simply not prepared for what was required and didn't have enough understanding of the importance of good hygiene. But, and it is a big but, I say this, emphatically, basically everything that was introduced as mandatory during the pandemic were basic principles that should have been followed if using a comprehensive and full hygiene system. Hygiene levels have improved significantly in all sectors over the last 10 years, but there are still many areas that could be improved. If we can take any plus points for the food industry from the pandemic, is that everyone has now put hygiene far higher up the list of priorities within a business. It's a very basic statistical fact, and okay, dark kitchens move away from this, but it's a statistical fact that a clean, visually appealing location attracts more footfall than a similar unclean environment. The modern consumer has a whole host of choices in terms of where to eat, where to visit, where to shop, and where to stay. If they're not happy in one place, they'll just go to another place. It's that simple. Maintaining a good level of hygiene is critical to maintaining a loyal brand following. And your hygiene supplier should work in partnership with you to protect your brand identity. So, what do we mean by a complete hygiene system? And I'll take you through some slides in a bit. A good, complete, robust system enables the customer and end user to meet HACCP and food safety guidelines fully. It should be simple to use, be backed up by comprehensive training, and ensure that a premises is quickly and easily cleaned for the safe production and consumption of food. More importantly, a professional hygiene system will actually save you money. I say it lightly, but in jest, but we use this term a lot. A good system should be idiot-proof. So what should it involve? So here's a good diagram of fairly substandard hygiene system that we do, It was the norm in a lot of places across the GCC. This is the sort of chemicals often in use, the sort of tools and equipment seen across multiple sites in the region. And then a slightly better example, or a better example of a good system. So what should a good system involve? Numerical, preferably color-coded chemical range, suitable for all tasks. Chemicals that meet the highest approvals, so NSF, EN, local regional approvals, so Dubai Municipality, SFDA if you're in Saudi, Eco Logo, Green Seal if you're going down the green route. Accurate chemical dispensing systems like this or this. Auto dilution is always preferable for cost reduction. Product data sheets and MSDS. Standard operating procedures for all key tasks and equipment. Concise and clear wall charts and pointers use signage. Color-coded food-safe cleaning tools. In ancillary items, fly control, refuse bins, fragrance dispensers, washroom products, training material. This is critical. Anybody can supply chemicals, but do they back it up with training, support, so your end user, your staff are kept up to date on the latest legislation? Technical service support, again, critical. Any good hygiene system should come with the backup of a good technical service team. So maintaining hygiene standards is cost efficient and easy with the right system, the right training, and the right products. There's a couple more pictures here of good systems, color-coded numerical cleaning range, standard operating procedures. These help keep your staff trained, how to clean, where to clean, wall signage, product data sheets. If anyone tries to supply you a product without these, they're not following the guidelines. Color-coded cleaning tools. So that's it. So, as I just mentioned, with the right hygiene system, you're going to save money, and cleaning is easy. I'd also just like to touch on a point which is probably the hottest topic worldwide right now, and that's sustainability, or the Greta effect, as it's kind of known. I think you have to be marooned on an island, really, to have not seen the worldwide push towards achieving sustainability targets, and the Middle East is actually aiming to be at the forefront of this. A good hygiene system can have a huge impact on sustainability within your business. How? Water savings by improving chemistry in the products. So better formulated products, you use less water, you use less chemical. Energy savings by being able to clean at lower temperatures, again by using improved formulation technology. Water and chemical reduction due to well-maintained and accurate automated dosing system. Basically, a good dosing system kills what we call the glug-glug approach. Packaging reduction by using super concentrates, recycled paper, the list goes on and on. And then we have green products. So green products are essentially products that have minimal effect on the environment. These have been used in the FM industry for years, and the food sector is beginning to take notice. And your consumers will begin to take notice. I'm sure you've all started to look at recycled packaging within restaurants. New sustainable innovative technology. So the tech is moving every single day on sustainability. How does this affect the hygiene industry? We've got things like LED fly control units, microfiber, auto taps, water-saving taps, smart washroom technology, chemical-less cleaning and sanitization. I'm a chemical salesman. I never thought I'd be promoting things where I can't sell chemicals, but sustainability's taken over. So clean can be green, and we must embrace it, as it'll be mandatory sooner than later. So to summarize today, a good, correct, professional hygiene system saves money, improves hygiene, saves cleaning time, and is more sustainable, and more importantly, protects brand image and gives your customer the peace of mind that their welfare is being looked after. Hope everyone enjoys the rest of the day. We all gain some new knowledge to make improvements to the relevant industry. Thank you.
Thank you, Andrew, and spot on time as well, exactly 10 minutes, well done. Now, we've got a next presentation. It's going to be a 5-minute presentation from our procurement partner, and it's going to be the innovation in procurement. Please welcome on to